What is up, guys? Welcome back to the railfan channel here on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back. This video is in 4K. So this is the new phone I got today. It's a Moto G7 Optimum or something like that. So Kiamichi Railroad. Haven't caught them coming from this way in a while. Just look at that person going over the tracks with the train right there. Anyways, we're here with my mom.
Hi.
Yes, and there's our truck over there. If you didn't see my community tab, you need to go check that out. We were in a wreck a few days ago. A week ago, I believe already. So we are here at my original spot. I haven't seen this spot in so long. I mean long. It's been forever, but we're finally back on the Kiamichi Railroad. I've been going to school is another reason why I haven't been posting. And guess what? It is 9:41, everybody. Rolling by at 9:41. This way's early days are back to life. This way is going to be, when they come from this way, it's going to be coming from this way early at about 9. This way is going to be like randomized, so whatever time. But yeah, here they come on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. I've missed this railroad, and I railfanned it last night at about 12 a.m. So that way probably about 12 every so often, and 11 sometimes. So yes, I would like to introduce you guys back to the Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails, and we finally get them back again. I haven't seen them in so long. It has been forever. I forgot what the train looks like in some way. They're driving 3381 and probably 3392. Because 3392 was in the lead last night. You can tell there's grass growing on the tracks. It's been a while since I've railfanned them. Alright, and this is in 4K, so if storage limit hits, I don't know what to tell you. They're probably short because they would not come this early. I could not guess that, but yeah. Long time no see, Kiamichi. What's up? Ronnie and Eddie. How y'all doing tonight? Bet y'all were really ready to take this train. Probably cleared the yard out. Yeah, once they get the crossings activate. Yup, I'm doing my hat now. The crossings ain't even down, so I ain't gonna say gate runner. Gate runner is so much of a classic term anymore with me. 4K, Ultra HD. We have internet now, so it'll be able to upload. I better get in my original spot. Catch them going across the grade crossing. They gonna activate? Man, they're pushing. Ding, 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 ding. So much, Ronnie and Eddie, for that honk. And that wave, Eddie. I mean, Ronnie. Messed y'all's names up. Oh my goodness. That was a big honk. It said, hi Josh, hi Amber. Yep. Or it could have said hi, short going west to Valiant, Oklahoma. Actually going west to Hugo, Oklahoma. Gotta stop off at Valiant. Oh my God, y'all, and it is 9:46. Hope you guys enjoyed this 4K video. I have actually never filmed in 4K, but maybe once. Oh my God, I miss the smell of a train and the cars just going across. I miss it. Oh my God, it smells so good. I love this railroad, to be honest with you guys. This is a Moto G, but this is my main phone right here, Moto G Play 2021. Oh, hi there, Freddie. Well, goodbye, Freddie. Talk to you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye. Bye, y'all. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Talk to you guys on the next video. Ding, 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 ding. Boom. All right, guys, so this was my very first, well, not really my very first 4K, but there goes Freddie, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Say bye.